In ACDSee, when metadata is added or changes are made to images, the program updates the thumbnail preview in Manage mode to tell us more about what changes have been made. In this video, I'll break down what each of these mean. In the center of my preview window, I have an image with almost every icon. These icons will by default appear as gray. They are located at the bottom left of the image preview. The other icons are located to the right and above the image preview. If you navigate to View and toggle Overlay Mode, you can change them from gray to color or remove the icons altogether. Let's start with ratings. Ratings appear at the top of your image preview. They will look like a white box with a number in it. I have a rating of 5 on this image, and other software might use a star system rather than a rating, but in ACDSee, they're treated as the same thing. Add a rating by navigating to the Properties window and selecting one. You can also click the Ratings box on the image preview to change it. File type icon. Your file type icon appears on the right side of your image preview and simply tells you what type of image file you're working on. You can see more information regarding your file and file type by navigating to Properties and clicking on the File button at the bottom of the Properties window. Color labels. Color labels appear just below your image preview. They're depicted as thin, colored bands that run horizontally down the image thumbnail. Color labels are subjective to the user, so they can mean really anything, but you can set them by navigating to the Properties window and clicking on a new color, or remove the label by choosing gray. You can also click the label box that appears when you hover over an image and choose a new label. Tags. Tags are the little check mark that appears on the bottom right of your image preview. Tags are simply binary metadata. It's up to you what they mean. Perhaps tagged images are images that have been edited, and untagged images are unedited. Add tags by clicking on the tag icon in the Properties window, or simply by clicking on the tag icon within the image preview. Now let's discuss the string of icons here. Developments. This purple icon indicates that this image has active developments. Developments are made in develop mode, or by using develop batch actions. Navigating to develop mode, I can see the color wheel is active, meaning that I have changed the colors in this image. Filters with a blue circle indicate a development change. I can click it to see what I've changed. The next icon is the categories icon. Categories are a form of ACDSee metadata. They allow an image to be searched or cataloged based on the category you have added. Categories can be set in the Properties window and the Organize tab. You can see this image has a blue checkmark next to the holiday category. Geolocation. The geolocation icon is this little cyan one right here. A geolocated image has this information because your camera notes latitude and longitude upon capture, or you've added this information using the Map tool. I can add geolocation data by navigating to Tools, Map. Once the map is active, I can drag and drop images onto the map to set latitude and longitude, thus activating the geolocation icon. Embed pending. The embed pending icon is this little blue camera cartridge icon. This icon is important and tells me that any metadata that I've added, such as anything I've discussed in this video, has not been embedded to the file itself. I discuss embedding metadata in other tutorials extensively, so I won't go into too much detail today. To embed metadata, right-click on an image and navigate to Metadata, Embed ACDSee Metadata. By default, ACDSee should ask you to embed all your metadata upon closing the program. Image audio. The image audio icon indicates that audio information has been added to the file. To set image audio, navigate to Tools, Image Audio, Edit, and from here you can set the audio. Click on the icon to play the audio, or simply navigate to Properties and File, where the audio will be listed right here. Snapshots. The snapshots icon indicate that a snapshot has been created in develop mode. Snapshots operate kind of like time capsules, where you can save edits that you've made on the way to a final product. To add a snapshot, navigate to Develop Mode, and as you edit, click the plus button in the bottom right-hand corner here of the Snapshots pane to add one. Image edits. This little blue pen icon simply indicates that you have opened this image in edit mode and made changes to it. And finally, we have collections. This final icon indicates that you have added this particular image to a collection. To add an image to a collection, what you do is you right-click on the image and navigate to Collections and add to a collection that you've created. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And if you'd like, click the bell icon. That'll notify you when we upload new videos.